Hi, everybody. Diane at Healing Bodies, Healing Souls. And I've had quite a few phone calls this last week or two where people are wanting to change, but they don't change. And let me explain why. It's like, well, if I clean up my relationship, then who am I going to argue with? Or no, I don't want to take responsibility. It's his fault. It's her fault. And yeah, my kids, my children need help, but I don't want to look at it. It's too painful for me to see it. And so they stay stuck. And that to me is mind blowing. Absolutely mind blowing. So if your zipper was down, you'd pull it up. If there's something on your face, you'd wipe it down, wipe it off. And if your life isn't going well, it's time to show up and take care of it. That's really what this is about. Saying yes to a new you, not trying to figure out how it's not going to work for you, but it works for everybody else. It's time to take responsibility on an adult level. And if your kids are hanging out in their room too much, they're having social issues, their grades aren't well, they're struggling in any way, for the love of God, go out and get them some help. Because it is your responsibility. It's on your watch. Because it's not going to go away. It needs work. Like the zipper is not going to zip up itself. It's an action that is, of course, needing to be required. 33 plus years, over 20 certificates, you're in damn good hands. And we'll have fun most of the time. But I want to help you create actions. I want accountability. I want to make your mind larger than what it is when it is fear-based, energy, worried, and concerned. Free consultations. I mean, I've done it all for you. On Zoom, you don't even have to waste your gas. All you have to do is say yes to yourself, yes to life, yes to your children. And then trust that, yes, you can change. Every human can change. And I believe that you know that. And if you check the mirror, you're a human, which means you can change too. And it's about damn time. So it's time to zip it up, clean it up, give me a call, and create a new successful you, a healthier child that can handle the adult world, especially if you haven't been. I'll hang out and wait for your phone call. And thank you.